Today we have opened a new channel called REACTLORD TECH. In this channel we'll be sharing about tech, about how I shoot my videos, how I make my videos, how I edit my videos for photo shoot, how I film my weddings, how I film my baby showers, and all those things. Okay, so in this channel you'll be learning so much about filmmaking, photography, photo shoot, everything which needs a camera. Now when it comes to this, I want to let you know that we will be using a phone. You could use a phone or camera like the one I'm filming with, and in the future videos you'll be understanding how these things work and how you see my videos are very clean. You don't know why. I will let you know. There are lighting every side, there's a light. Okay, so those things will be coming very soon. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. This channel has just 3 subscribers as on 20th of August 2023. It's a brand new channel. Subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers at least. So thank you so much. You learn so much into how people make money online, some things like those one. How people make money on TikTok, on YouTube, all the platforms, Twitter, Instagram. Okay, I'll be making those videos. So subscribe. This is a channel trailer. Alright, press that subscribe. Always come back for more videos.